Now we got a cave and waterfalls. Man, it's a shame we only have about an hour here. Because I get so interested in this stuff. Just hand me a flashlight. Awesome. And this is sweet. I wasn't expecting this. You okay, Lucy? Bien? Sí. Unbelievable. Mother Nature, friends. Walking across planks, making sure you don't conk your head. Oh yeah. Wow. Absolutely crazy.
Meters deep.
20 meters deep.
Wait.